I wanted to tell you some of my Studio 490 stamp sets have matching matte minis. And these are really, really cool pieces. Matt cuts these out for us with the laser. They're all computer cut, so they're perfect every single time. Inside each package is 2 sheets. Some will have a sheet of black and a sheet of white, depending on what the images are. This one happens to have 2 white sheets. So to use this, all I need to do is pop this out and get my stamp ready. So I have my stamp ready. Before you put any ink on it, here's a little tip. These are only going to fit one way. So if I try to put this on the flower, it's not going to fit. So I know I need to turn it over. So I've used this one hundreds of times, and I know this little flat piece right here has to be in my right hand when I set it onto the image. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I use Jet Black Archival for this. Whoops, not good. This will be good for bloopers. And I'll go ahead and make sure that this is really well inked. And now I can see the flower a whole lot better. So I want to make sure there's plenty of ink on here. And you can see I'm just going to tap it on. I'm not going to swipe it on because I want a really good image this time. Put my lid on. This flat piece is going to be in my right hand. And this fits right over the stamp. So the only thing I need to do is press in all those areas. And when I pick this up, you'll see the amazing detail. It's because we have the best graphic department in the world. Look how cute. And so once this is done, all I have to do is dry that a little bit, make sure my archival ink is dry, and then I'll add some ink over the top, and I'll be back with lots more samples to show you how that's done.